5 tips for creating a beautiful coastal-themed drawing room. Tip number 1. Natural color palette. Opt for a calming, neutral color scheme with soft whites, sandy beige, and shades of blue like seafoam, aqua, or navy. These colors mimic the coastal environment and set a relaxed, breezy tone. Tip number 2. Incorporate natural materials. Use organic, beach-inspired materials such as rattan, wicker, jute, driftwood, and linen. You can also use beach-inspired artwork like framed ocean views, lighthouses, or coastal landscapes. Tip number 3. Light and airy furniture. Choose lightweight furniture in soft fabrics like linen or cotton. White or pastel-colored slip-covered sofas with a relaxed fit work well, offering both comfort and a casual beach feel. Tip number 4. Coastal accessories. Add accessories like seashells, coral sculptures, and rope or anchor motifs for a subtle coastal touch. Tip number 5. Layer textures. Add texture with throws and pillows in natural fibers like cotton, linen, or wool. Go for subtle patterns like nautical stripes or seaside motifs. Textured curtains and rugs help tie the room together with a soft, cozy feel. This will bring the tranquil essence of the coast into your drawing room, creating a relaxing, beachy retreat.